How was your day?
Not too bad. What about you?
How was your day?
Oh my gosh, where do I even start? So I woke up and my alarm didn't go off. Can you believe it? I had to rush to get ready. Then on my way to work, there was this huge traffic jam because someone decided to paint the lines on the road during rush hour. Who does that? Anyway, I finally get to work and Karen, you know Karen from accounting with the weird hair? She brought in homemade cookies. They looked amazing, but I'm trying to cut back on sugar, remember? But the smell was everywhere. Then in our team meeting, Brad wouldn't stop talking about his new boat. I mean, we get it, Brad. You have a boat. But guess what? He actually said something useful for once. Can you believe it? Oh, and remember that project I've been stressing about? Well, turns out the deadline got pushed back, which is great, but now I have to rework everything because the client changed their mind. Again, lunchtime was interesting. I tried that new salad place down the street. The salad was good, but you wouldn't believe who I saw there, you know. And that's when I realized I left my phone at the office. Can you believe it? What a day.